Hi everyone, this is Crystal, and today I'm sharing an unboxing of my package from Citrus Twist Kits for November. This is the Gratitude Kit, Life Crafted Kit, as well as a bunch of stamps I have to share with you. So I'm going to open this up and show you what's inside. Oh my goodness, you guys, I can already tell that this kit is so good. I can't wait to take a closer look at all the little things. Here's the little card that shows you that it's the Gratitude Kit. That's the title of this month's kit. I'm going to open up the cards, sorry for the crinkling, and share these with you. So as always, they are double-sided. So there is always something to be thankful for in this gorgeous teal color. On the other side says today. I love that font. This one says the best part of today. This is really beautiful kind of periwinkle purple color. And the other side says, I guess you could say things are getting pretty serious. This one has a little tag that says happiness, and the other side says rooted in this moment. Oh, more of that gorgeous purple. It says thankful, and then a floral on the back side. Holding on to and letting go. I love that. Oh, but this one, happenings, and then it's numbered 1 through 5. This one with a little teal background and red heart. I love that color combination. And then the other side is just a stripe. I love this one too. So it has hands and a pencil, like you can handwrite some journaling there maybe. And the other side says happy in this moment. Oh, a gorgeous butterfly. Oops. And full of gratitude on the other side. And then finally, filling my heart with happiness and home daily routines. I love that as well. Oh my goodness, those cards are so good. Let's take a look at the papers next, and the 4x6 cards as well. Again, sorry for the crinkling. So 4x6 cards, we get 2 of those. This one with this gorgeous kind of folk art like pattern in gray, and then the other side, oops, says morning, afternoon, and evening. And then this one, all in good fun and memories of with a grid background. Of course, we always get a set of cut apart labels. And then the 3x8 bookmark. This one says it's all good, documented, and a place for the date. With a wood grain background. And then the other side is hello, this is our normal. I love that too. Okay, so let's look at the papers. These are 6x8 papers, all exclusive to Citrus Twist Kit, and they are all single-sided. So I'm just going to flip through these. So we have this constellation print, which I love, a teal and white polka dot, some teal and yellow arrow kind of chevrons. Ooh, a nice yellow with a white heart on it. I love that. Oh, and this one is super cool. So it looks almost stamped. It's got this distressed background, and then it says, this is us, I choose you, gathered here. It's the little things, full heart, my sentiments exactly, etc. So you could cut this apart and use these as little word strips, or this would also make a really cool background for a photo. Oh, a nice grid in light blue and darker blue. A floral in that same gorgeous purple color with yellow, kind of looks like daisies. And this one, which is kind of, I can't tell if that's a navy blue or a dark gray, but it's got that cross pattern on it, and then a distressed teal wood grain. Oh, more of that beautiful purple color. I cannot get enough of this color, and I am not a purple fan normally, but I've been loving the little purple bits in these kits, so that is gorgeous. Another teal kind of arrow print, and then this beautiful light pink with a very subtle pattern on the background. Okay, so those are the papers. Oops. You have to already notice this gorgeous alpha. So this is a glittered puffy alpha in this beautiful copper color. Hopefully you can see that. So it's white foam with this copper glitter on top, and you can see you get quite a bit. And I love the font. That's something a little bit different than what we normally get, but it's beautiful. That's going to be so pretty with all of these rich colors. Okay, and then there is a die cut vellum pack, and oh my goodness, look at those leaves. I love this so much. So I don't know if you can actually, you know what? I'm just going to take it out because I don't think this is doing it justice at all. And 2 little stars in there as well. So of course this is vellum, and it's this beautiful, thick, kind of a little bit more opaque than some of the vellum I've seen. Look at those leaves and little speech bubbles. Such gorgeous, gorgeous colors in this pack. There's so much here too. Can you see? It just keeps going. Oh my goodness. And these stars with the different colors, like layered almost stars. Ah, so, so good. This is going to be so much fun to play with. Of course, it also has this title. It says our titles that say home, lovely, and good. Little strip of hearts, you're loved. What does that one say? Boy, what a day. And then another little floral as well. Oh my goodness, look at that map star. Ah, there's so much good stuff here. I can't stop gushing. I love that so much. I cannot wait to play with that. So that is the ephemera pack for this kit. There's also a set of puffy stickers, and can you see the colors? This is just gorgeous. I love these kind of jewel tone colors. I think it's perfect for some fall documenting, but if you are in another part of the country where it is not fall, these will totally work for that as well. I love this Gone Exploring. There's a little citrus, love of wide open spaces. Let's see, well, hello you, she's a dreamer, another adventure, simply you, road trip. So yeah, this would totally work for so many different things. And I love these shapes that they've added in the kind of blank space as well. And then, oh, that one has a little TV on it. It says watching. Love these. We get some phrase or tiny word stickers. So these are in a light gray with a dark gray print. It is, I think, single-sided. So it says things like radiate positivity, sassy, love them anyway, you make it easier, right here, yippee, together, etc. Those are always so handy. I love adding those to my projects. And we also get a set of chipboard. There's so much in this kit. So these are chipboard pieces. There's circles and hearts and banners and arrows. They say things like focus, gather, love this, magic, joy, food, time together, total relaxation, this is the real thing, you are 100% authentic, loving you is easy, love that. And then finally the stamp that comes in the Life Crafted kit, which is so good. So it says, lots of marshmallows in my cocoa, step into the daylight, sunshine and good feelings, this right here, I've got sunshine, yes girl, oh my, grateful heart, whoop, chock full of gratitude, don't overlook life's small joys, audacious and unbridled joy, find your fire, gather here, happy soul, and angel energy. Very cool. Okay, so that is the amazing Life Crafted kit for November. Let's take a look at the stamps. Okay, so here are the stamps for November. Let's start with this one because this is actually not a November release. This is the Christmas Stories stamp. So I'm going to be adding this to my December daily goodies. It is so full of great Christmas sayings like a little bit naughty, time for a bit of mischief, making spirits bright, our elf is back, have yourself a merry little Christmas, all is calm, all is bright, the naughty list, don't get your tinsel in a tangle, sleigh bells ring, good tidings of comfort and joy, ugly sweater, just so much here. So this is going in with my December daily goodness. And then these are the stamps that released this month. So we have the 3x4 add-on stamp, the Traveler's Notebook stamp, and then the This Is Life Life Crafted stamp as well. So let's start with the small one. This is the 3x4 add-on. So it says currently, epic day, here and now, live and learn, worth it, details, come as you are, like love, relaxing, recorded, this story, and then a little date, which I love. That's going to be super, super handy for lots of things. The Traveler's Notebook stamp says, worthwhile and interesting, I'd rather not, really good, roam, oh so happy, wild one, imperfect experiences, endless grace, oh life is good, worn out, just yuck, time for bed, great story, nap queen, life captured, just so, need, want, must, never, and then this really beautiful kind of scripted hello, which I will definitely get lots of use out of. And then finally, the This Is Life. This is Grateful For is the name of this stamp. So you can see all these gorgeous florals, which are going to be a lot of fun to play with. Then there are some phrases as well. So there's the Grateful For, that's the title of the stamp. And then there's Us, this right here, Your Personality, Unexpected Adventures, Beauty in Everyday Things, Stories All Around, Friends, Family, You, Imperfections, Failure, Challenges, Gathering. There's also an ampersand and these little brackets, so you can kind of put your phrases in between them. There's a little heart here as well. And as always, the thing I love the most about the Citrus Twist Kit stamps is that you get this kind of inspiration piece on the back side of the label that shows you different ways you can put these stamps together to create these little clusters and some DIY embellishments. So those are the stamps that came out this month in November.
And that is where my camera stopped filming. So luckily you got to see all of the gorgeous things releasing this month, and the only thing you missed was me telling you that everything will be linked down below in the description, and also that there are some really fantastic deals happening at the Citrus Twist Kits shop this month, including a special deal if you are a new subscriber, as well as some really amazing grab bags. So be sure to head over and check those things out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all back here soon.